All right, so Green Acres is the place to be. We are at Green Acres. No, not really. AJ, stop. Don't be kicking all that. Well, we are at Dan and Virginia's garden, which they have a piece of property away from their house where they have grown. And this is an amazing. So this spot here, you just harvested what?
Sugar snap peas.
Sugar snap peas. That's where this empty spot is, right?
Yeah, and the plants are dying over there now.
All right. So how do you have to come out here every day to look at what needs to be harvested?
Not every day. About every other day or every 3 days, depending on if we get rain or not.
Wow. So do you call this your homestead garden?
Pretty much, yeah.
So Miss Virginia said this is homesteading. So you're picking squash right now, right?
Yes.
Oh, look! Coca-Cola grows on a look. We got Coca-Cola over here that is growing. We got a Diet Coke plant. Look at that.
I need to invest in stock in Diet Coke, I tell you.
We got a Diet Coke plant. All right, so yeah, you found a nice chair. So I'm gonna step over here and I'm gonna actually see you pulling the squash off here. What? Oh, a cat! Is that your cat? Well, whose cat?
I don't know whose cat. That's the first time I've ever seen it.
You've never seen that cat before?
No.
It's going into the corn.
Probably after the bunny rabbits.
All right.
Bunnies here every year.
Oh, I bet. Mr. McGregor's garden, huh? AJ, don't scare the cat. Let it come to you.
And then
because they'll go into the corn.
And then we've got green beans from here over.
So these are green beans.
Mm-hmm. We've got some on the vines here. I just don't know where they go.
So you got tomatoes. These are tomatoes. Mm-hmm. These are. Do you like green tomatoes?
Yes, but these are Roma tomatoes. I use Roma a lot for my tomato or my spaghetti sauce. So that's why that's why I grow these kinds instead of if I want a slicing tomato.
You'll never eat store-bought sauce again.
I bet. So Dan, this is a fruit of what Dan's been picking. So Dan's picked these tomatoes.
We sometimes pick them a little green so that the rabbits and stuff don't get them.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And just let them go, take them home.
Did the cat go into the corn?
Yeah, it came to me for a second, then it went into the corn.
Oh, the cat is probably going to get lost in that corn maze, probably. So you've never seen that cat out here before?
Probably the neighbors over here, most likely.
How do you tell when you get a deer that's been rummaging through?
They'll lay down in it.
Really?
Like they'll lay down in the middle of the corn.
Oh, let me see which squash you have in your hand. Picked fresh. Look, picked fresh. The deer really lay down in the middle of it?
Yep. AJ, honey, would you grab this and put it over there at the end of
Yeah, come grab the squash.
I don't like it when they do that either.
See, I'll have to pick that in about 2 days. I don't know if you can get down in here.
How do you determine when to pick them?
About the size you like them. Like I don't like them.
Here, let's see them, AJ.
So that's about as big as I want them.
Here.
And I always pray I never get into a snake.
Oh my goodness.
Please don't have snake. Now this thing here, that butternut squash, look at it. It's growing up that cage.
That is.
See that big melon or that big squash up underneath it?
Right here.
Is this what we're talking about right here?
Yeah. Now look at the bottom of the tomato plant and you'll see.
Oh, that's what you're talking about.
That's a butternut squash.
Oh.
You like them when they're ready.
I'm telling her she can eat one. It's a baby that fell off.
Okay.
So this is a passion for you?
Yeah, I always put everything up, pan everything up for the winter.
Well, how wonderful that you get to have this property to do this.
Oh, I know. It reminds me of my grandmother because she always had a beautiful garden here, always.
Now, this is a big, this is big. This is big. What did I find here? This is big. Are you growing a pumpkin? Is that like
No, that's a spaghetti squash or butternut squash.
Oh man! So how do you know when to pick it?
It'll turn colors and the vine. You're gonna do just like you do with watermelons. You're gonna let them sit until they get
Okay.
a certain color.
AJ, you do know that watermelons grow on vines, right?
I got watermelon over here.
Oh, you
I
do?
got baby watermelons.
Oh, wow.
Look at this. This thing is just exploding over here. It just goes everywhere. We had one of these in our yard planted here last year, and that thing took over our backyard. That's how big it just
Okay, so you got tomatoes, you got squash, you got corn.
Where's that big thing you were talking about?
You don't see it? Right there. Right there. It's get down, move over there. Move the leaf. AJ, move the other leaf. That's right. There it is right there.
Where?
You're looking right at it.
See that big round thing? Yellowish looking color?
No. AJ, is your head attached to your shoulders? Look, right there. You're looking at it.
Oh,
right
that?
there. Yeah. No, right.
Look behind it, honey.
AJ, you have your glasses on?
That?
Look there, right here.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
May have to spray it again, honey. It looks like the bugs are coming back. You want to see the watermelon?
Yes, I do.
You showing the baby corn, babe?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to add to that. So you forgot to bring a bag or a box then?
Yeah. Normally we got a 5-gallon bucket.
Do you ever have anybody, do you think anybody ever steals from you?
We've already told everybody here the first year we were here, if there's anything here they want, come get it.
Oh, really?
You know, the neighbors, you know.
Really? And do you think...
I grew up with the neighbors here, though. I mean, I went to church with all of them.
Okay, so
Now this is going to be spaghetti squash. Spaghetti squash, I think. I may have got them mixed up. This one may be the butternut, and the other one may be... I don't remember which one we planted. But yeah, they're the same way. You got to let them wait.
So you are quite the expert on knowing when to pick then.
No, I wouldn't say expert. But
Like when will you pick
here's a big one right here.
Come here, AJ.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
I'm holding the leaf up.
Oh,
right
there it is.
Yeah. Now, you want to see a watermelon?
Yeah.
Right there's one, which I think it died. Yeah, it died.
Oh my
I
goodness.
imagine a rabbit or something.
Oh, so that's a little baby watermelon.
I got baby one.
Yes, see, they grow on a vine. Watermelon, AJ. See, look.
See, here's a baby one right here. Anywhere you see a bloom, you're going to see the fruit.
So this is the beginning of a watermelon.
Yes.
AJ, look. This is the beginning of a
Oh,
watermelon.
I'm sorry, AJ. I didn't see you.
AJ?
Now, here's a bigger one right here.
Oh, that's starting to turn the colors.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that is a baby watermelon. Look, a baby watermelon. Look, AJ. It's a baby watermelon.
That may be all of them I have right now.
No, there's something back here.
I've never seen a watermelon.
Yep, here's another one. 2 of them. And 3.
I have never seen, oh wow. I've never seen them
They're
that
2
small.
different kinds. I think one of them is sugar baby or something.
Look at that little baby watermelon. It's so cute. I feel like naming them. And then when do you pick your corn?
Oh, it'll be this fall it's got to dry up and all that, or get close to, not drying up, but when it gets big enough to pick.
Okay.
Can I go through the corn?
No, don't do that, honey. The corn stalks will easily break. That's why I didn't weed anything in between it.
Because they break so easily?
They didn't.
All right, so you've got watermelon, squash, corn, tomatoes.
Yeah.
And
Got potatoes.
you got you picked your green beans already, you said.
Yeah. Well, no, I haven't picked them yet.
Or the peas, you picked the peas.
Yeah, the peas, yeah. But now I've got green beans over there on the vine.
AJ, stop with his shoes.
I went through it though.
But the cat is the cat.
Baby, you just walked on my potatoes. In a hill or potatoes?
Okay.
I don't know if...
The cat can migrate, go through the maze of a, it's probably still, I know you, there is a cat in Virginia's cornfield
Give me a second.
that AJ was wanting to see.
Potatoes? You see the potatoes growing under, they grow under the mound.
Yeah, see? Potatoes, look.
Yeah.
Potatoes.
And we just had a bag of red potatoes go bad, and they had eyes on them, and I just come out here and blame them.
Well, so you're quite the homesteader then.
Well, not really, but I try to be.
So, how much food do you think you have here?
Enough for a couple families, that's for sure.
Well, that's good. All right, well, I'm going to sign off here from Katie's.
Got cucumbers up here.
Oh, you got cucumbers. Oh, I left those out.
Or you can sign off. Put them towards the corn because I wanted them to climb the corn, and that's what they're doing. They're starting to. See, there's one there. One here, and it's climbing the corn.
Is that what you wanted to do?
Yeah, because that way they hang down instead of laying on the ground.
Okay.
And
Well, all right. So we are in Katie's, Kentucky. We are at Virginia and Dan Spindler's Homestead Garden. So, signing off for Big Belly Rebuilds and Trucking. And, what?
corn. Look, that's how it starts off.
Oh, yeah, the silk. Yeah, that's called the corn silk. Yeah. And
And when they get big enough, then we'll pick them.
So, peace. God bless. And later.